Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope each and every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agneva Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. So I've been interacting with a lot of my Synergy students, aspiring students who have been preparing for this upcoming August 2024 batch and more specifically preparing for Synergy Marine Group. So yesterday I was interacting with them and I got to know that a lot of students still don't know that IMU campuses do conduct or do have these DNS courses in them. So I was discussing various colleges where Synergy Marine Group sends their cadets to, and I was surprised to see that they didn't knew that Synergy sent their cadets to IMU Navi Mumbai, which is TS Chanakya, and IMU Chennai campus as well. So today I thought I'll just tell each and every one of you that about this DNS course conducted in these IMU campuses. Alright, so if I talk about DNS course conducted in IMU campuses, firstly I would like to mention about IMU campuses itself. So if you still don't know what IMU campuses are, IMU is basically Indian Maritime University. You might already know about IMUCET, the Common Entrance Test, the All India test conducted by Indian Maritime University. These colleges are IMU campuses, like Indian Maritime University campuses. These are government colleges basically for merchant navy courses, starting from B.Tech, Marine Engineering, BSc Nautical Science, Diploma in Nautical Science, and various logistic courses as well in the maritime industry. So, like most of us don't know about it, that DNS course is actually conducted in these campuses. I'll tell you, there are two campuses, namely IMU Chennai campus, and IMU Navi Mumbai campus, also known as TS Chanakya, Training Ship Chanakya, in Navi Mumbai, of course.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं राइट? ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड. आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो. Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
These two colleges offer DNS course as well, Diploma in Nautical Science. Now, what all companies send their cadets to these colleges? In my mind, I have one and only one company, which is my company itself, the company I am sponsored from, Synergy Marine Group. So while we were appearing for interview for Synergy Marine Group, we had a list of colleges which we wanted to go for. Synergy had given us preference. So what colleges do you want to go for? And fortunately, I already knew about it. A lot of my friends still didn't knew about it, that IMU colleges do offer DNS course as well, just like a lot of you watching this video right now. So now if I talk about the fees offered in these government colleges, these IMU colleges, I would say it is very good. Compared to the amount of infrastructure, the quality teaching, the all the resources provided by these colleges, I would say it is worth it. The fees is ranging around 2.5 to 3 lakhs only for a 1-year diploma in nautical science course, which is very less compared to other colleges. If you compare it with TMI or TS Rahman or IMI Noida or IMA, SIMS, Great Eastern, if you compare it with these maritime training institutes, it is very less. Alright, so what's my take on these colleges? Yes, I would totally recommend you to go for these colleges, provided only one condition: if you are sponsored from a good company like Synergy Marine Group. Now, a lot of you might already have this doubt: what all companies do come in IMU campuses? There are no companies which come in IMU campuses for pre-placement, which is sponsorship. I have heard, and I have spoken to my friends in IMU Chennai as well. So what I have heard is, yes, there is a little bit of placement, but I won't recommend you to do that. Go for this DNS course without sponsorship and later sit for placements. There is no guarantee for placements. I would recommend you to get sponsored from a good company like Synergy and go for your DNS course in these colleges. Now, what it takes to get yourself enrolled in these colleges? A good rank, of course. If you attain a good rank in IMUCET, Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test, then you are well and good. Fill in the counseling form, take sponsorship from a company like Synergy, and go for it. Now, what rank do you require for IMU Navi Mumbai and Chennai? I would say a rank under 1000 would be best. You will get your name in the first list itself. Now, if you get a rank below 3000 or 2000, there are chances that you might get your name in the second list or the third list, or even in the sport counseling round as well. Okay, so that will be it from my side for this IMU thing. Like, I knew a lot of you students didn't knew about it, so I thought I'll discuss it with each and every one of you watching this video right now. So if you encounter any questions regarding DNS courses conducted in IMU, and you have any doubts regarding various maritime training institutes or DNS sponsorship, anything apart from IMUCET and sponsorship exams as well, just do let me know in the comments down below. Until then, stay tuned for the next informative one. Thank you and have a good day ahead.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए? Then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.